We divide 415 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 2 means 4. On subtracting it is 0. So now we put down the number beside this 1 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 0 means 0. On subtracting it is 1. So now we put this 5 and it is 15. So 2 times 7 means 14. On subtracting it is 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting it is 0. So 415 divided by 2 is 207 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.